Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring the Data Engineering Toolkit, a powerful collection of tools, techniques, and concepts that every data engineer needs to excel in their craft. Whether you're a beginner looking to start strong or an experienced professional sharpening your skills, this video will cover the essentials. So let's dive in. Some of you may remember the classic Data Warehouse Toolkit, first published in 1996. It's an enduring guide to data modeling. But today, we're stepping beyond modeling into the operational side of data engineering. Tools, workflows, and everyday practices that will make your life easier and your projects more efficient. Command line skills. As data engineers, command line skills are essential. Sure, you know basics like ls, cd, and mkdir, but let's level up. Curl. Use this to test APIs instantly. Is the endpoint live? Just run curl to find out. Make and cron. Automate workflows. Think of cron as your personal scheduler for running scripts at regular intervals, while make helps you manage dependencies in your projects. SSH and rsync. With SSH, you can securely access remote servers. Pair it with rsync for fast, seamless data transfer between machines. Tail. Got massive log files? Use tail to view the most recent entries without loading the entire file. Perfect for debugging in real time. Environment variables. Managing environments can get tricky, especially when dealing with credentials or endpoints. This is where environment variables shine. Instead of hard-coding sensitive data like AWS keys, store them securely as environment variables and inject them when needed. Docker. Now, let's talk Docker. Docker is to software what shipping containers are to logistics, standardization at its best. A single Docker file lets you run your app on any platform, your local machine, a CI/CD pipeline, or a Kubernetes cluster. Unix Philosophy in action. Want to see the Unix Philosophy in action? Here's a quick example of processing cryptocurrency market data using just one command. What's happening here? Bat. Reads the file with syntax highlighting. TRD. Removes quotes from the data. Cut. Extracts specific columns, like names and market caps. Sort. Orders the data by market cap, highest first. Head. Shows the top 4 results. All in one go. No Python or extra libraries required. It's fast, efficient, and highlights the power of the command line. Quick recap. 1. Master essential Linux commands for productivity. 2. Use environment variables and Docker for streamlined development and deployment. 3. Unlock the power of the Unix philosophy with efficient command line pipelines. These tools and techniques form the backbone of a modern data engineer's toolkit. If this video added value to your data engineering journey, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious and keep building.